back it down just a little bit. There you go. There you go. Right like that. Long and strong. Remember to breathe.